Passion in marriage. Marriage is a beautiful relationship, but it can become mundane and boring over time. Reigniting the passion in your marriage is essential to creating a strong and healthy connection with your spouse. Here are some tips to help you reignite the passion in your marriage. Start by understanding your partner's needs and wants. Showing that you care and are willing to put in the effort to make them happy is a great way to start. Acknowledge your partner's feelings and make sure to be understanding and supportive. Try to do something special for your partner every day. This can be as simple as sending them a text message telling them how much you love them, or as elaborate as planning a romantic getaway. Whatever it is, make sure to show your partner that you appreciate them and that you are willing to put in the effort to make them happy. Communication is key to any relationship, and marriage is no different. Make sure to keep the lines of communication open and be honest with your partner. Talk about your feelings and your needs and be open to hearing your partner's feelings and needs as well. Take time to spend quality time together. This can be as simple as taking a walk together or as elaborate as planning a weekend getaway. Whatever it is, make sure to take the time to reconnect and enjoy each other's company. Keep the spark alive with romantic gestures. This can be as simple as sending a love note or as elaborate as surprising your partner with a gift. Whatever it is, make sure to show your partner that you are still in love and that you are willing to make the effort to keep your relationship alive. Make sure to be affectionate with your partner. This can be as simple as holding hands or as elaborate as a passionate kiss. Whatever it is, make sure to show your partner that you still care and that you are still in love. Be willing to compromise and to work together to make your marriage work. This can be as simple as agreeing to disagree or as elaborate as working together to solve a problem. Whatever it is, make sure to put in the effort to make your marriage work. Don't forget to have fun together. This can be as simple as watching a movie or as elaborate as planning a date night. Whatever it is, make sure to take the time to enjoy each other's company and to have fun. Reigniting the passion in your marriage is essential to creating a strong and healthy connection with your spouse. By understanding your partner's needs and wants, doing something special for them every day, communicating openly and honestly, spending quality time together, being romantic and affectionate, compromising, and having fun together, you can reignite the passion in your marriage and create a strong and healthy relationship.